Hello, my people. It's been a minute. I miss you guys. I hope you missed me too. So, let's see what we're cooking today. I have eggplants here. Clean them. Now we will cut them. I cut them into cubes. Have you ever had eggplant with beef and ugali? Guys, it's yummy. Let's walk through the process, and I hope you're gonna like it. So we'll just cut the eggplants into small cubes, just like you see in the video. For those who are watching me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. I promise to be back fully now. So we chop our eggplants like that. Okay, we are done. So I heated 2 tablespoons of oil. And we add salt to taste. We mix them all together. And then we'll let them fry for a while until they're cooked. Yeah, we keep frying until they're like that, then we remove them. Make sure you remove them on a paper towel or a kitchen towel to remove the excess oil. Yeah, like that. So here comes in our beef. We add salt to taste. Mix well. Let's cover for a while. And when all the blood is dried up, we'll add water. Let it boil until tender. So we add just 1 tablespoon of oil. And we'll fry the meat. Some onions. Let's cook the onions until they're very nicely cooked. Add garlic. It's garlic paste. Let's cook the garlic for a while. Then we'll add in our chopped tomatoes. Let's cover and let the tomatoes cook. Let's see if our tomatoes are cooked. Yeah, they're a little bit cooked. We add maybe just 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. That is the little I had. Let's mix well and add some chili cubes and fresh chili. Mix well and let it cook for a while again. Let's see. Let it cook. Okay, we'll add a little bit of water and the green bell pepper. We just need a very little gravy because you know the eggplants are soggy. Let's say soggy, or they are moist once they boil. At this point, I'll start doing my ugali. Be cooking your ugali. Then we add in the eggplants now. Let's mix well. See the way it looks delicious, guys. Let's cover it for some time, then see our stew is. Guys, you should try this. This was perfect. It was so nice. It was so delicious. You should try this with beef. You can use goat meat, I think, yeah. Or maybe you can do with fish. So I serve it with ugali. Guys, I hope you enjoy the recipe. Tell me in the comment section where you're watching from and what do you want me to cook next. This was delicious, guys, and you should try it. Those who are new in my channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.